Does that have a front coupling? No. Just let me know. I just thought. There's no idea. No, I've got it.
How's your mum doing, John?
She's alright. She still can't bend down as such.
Yeah.
I know she hurt her back a while ago, but otherwise she's alright.
Good.
She could do with well, all what's now left is for her to drive the car now.
Oh, okay.
And then if she can do that, she'll be fine. Because I need to go, I've got a golf lesson this weekend.
Oh.
Doesn't last long.
No.
So it's like an hour. And then, yeah. If she can't take me, my dad will have to take me.
Yeah.
And last time he took me didn't really go well.
Oh, why not?
He said he was going to pick me up and
Are we thinking about going in the next 5-10 minutes, George?
going quicker than I can film.